Yes, I like it a lot. In fact, I will spend the next 30 minutes staring at these beauties.
The lengths you will go to defend yourself is astonishing.
Well, you haven't proved your point anyway.
I think we need to see the Inquisitor now.
Okay, let's go.
What are you doing to my personal beach?
I knew you two would come to me. I was preparing to settle this debate of yours. Milind, take a seat and Juma, join me in this demonstration. To make sure that the waves have same amplitude and frequency each time we experiment, I have mechanized this wave generator. We will be observing the change in water level as an indicator of how much water overtops our barriers in this part of our wave tank using these two scales. You are already familiar with the straight and recurved type wall barriers. There is also a submerged breakwater, a sloped revetment, a rock armor, and the tetrapods you two were arguing about. Now that we have set up everything, let us find out the safest coastal defense mechanism. Generally, beaches have a long slope because of the sand present there. Let this slope represent that condition. Let's see what happens in this case when strong waves come. In a small beach, this amount of water doesn't seem dangerous, but when scaled to an actual ocean, it is enough to submerge an entire village. When planning for coastal defense, we have to think 50 to 100 years ahead in time. By then, most of the sand might get eroded. So let us assume that it has and remove this sand. For our later experiments, we will consider this new water level as our zero line. Now for Milind's idea of constructing a seawall, let us attach each type of seawall and measure their effectiveness. Juma, can you please add the straight wall barrier to this? Now I'll send our 7 waves. When we remove this barrier, a hole connecting these two chambers will open up and the water level will go back to its zero position. Juma, can you replace this straight line barrier with the recurved wall barrier?
Sure.
Now for our 7 waves. Will you notice the change in water level?
Yeah. Okay, just half the last time. So, I guess a wall is not just a wall. Recurved walls are better when it comes to coastal defense.
Now let us add the sloped revetment to this.
Okay. Done.
I'll send in our 7 waves. Notice the rise.
Okay.
I guess the sloped revetment is not a good idea then. Now let us replace this sloped revetment with that rock art.
Okay, done.
Time for our 7 waves.
Okay.
See, rock armor is better. The overtopping decreased because the waves lost a lot of their energy in the pockets between these rocks. When engineered to maximize this loss in energy, we get a tetrapodal shape. Juma, will you please replace this rock armor with some tetrapods of ours?
Sure.
Now for the 7 waves. Notice the change?
Okay. Wow. So the overtopping has further decreased.
Can you now believe that tetrapods are placed on our sea beach to reduce the overtoppings into our city?
What was this trapezoidal prism here for?
Oh, this. It's to show you the current trends in ocean engineering. The Palm Islands of Dubai use them to safeguard their shores without using tetrapods.
Oh,
Now coming to your question, Juma. In the beaches of Juhu and Goa, the sand has not eroded yet. Also, no roads run right next to them. But in Marine Drive and Worli Sea Face, we can't pull our roads back, so a defense barrier becomes necessary.
okay.
That was a long lesson. I'll leave you two at it now. And oh, yes, question everything. Okay, that was a long lesson indeed.
See, Ivan, those tetrapods are here for function, not for beauty.
Okay, I agree, but still, I do find them beautiful. They give Marine Drive a look of its own.
Now is the time to declare the most helpful argument from the comment section.
It was from Sandhya Vinod Parkewar, and frankly, it was so long that I would prefer not reading it.
If you want to see more such videos, then subscribe to our channel and share this video among your friends.
Do you have any weird questions? Send them to us at scientificlockdown@gmail.com and follow us on social media. Thank you.